Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factoring trinomials. In this video we will see how to factorise trinomials. These are algebraic expressions containing three terms. At this stage we will begin by looking at trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. In the above trinomial, x is the variable and m is a number and c is a number. Note in the above trinomial that the coefficient of x squared is 1, so the number in front of x squared is 1. The way we factorise trinomials of the above form is as follows. Find two numbers whose product is c and whose sum is b. That means we have to find two numbers. When we multiply them together we get this number, and when we add them together we get b. Let's see how this works. Examples. Factorise each of the following trinomials. The first one is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Two numbers whose product is 6 and whose sum is 5. So the product is 6, the sum is 5, the only two numbers are 3 and 2. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 and x plus 2. And they're the two numbers we're after. Plus 3 and plus 2, that's where you place them, and that gives you the factored form. X squared plus 7x plus 12. Two numbers whose product is 12 and whose sum is 7 are 3 and 4, because 3 4s are 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Hence, x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals x plus 3 times x plus 4. Number 3. X squared plus 2x minus 15. Two numbers whose product is minus 15 and whose sum is plus 2 are minus 3 and plus 5. Because minus 3 times plus 5 is minus 15, and minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2. Hence, x squared plus 2x minus 15 is x minus 3, x plus 5. The next one, x squared minus 6x plus 8. Two numbers whose product is 8 and whose sum is minus 6 are minus 2 and minus 4, because minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 8, and minus 2 minus 4 gives you minus 6. Hence, x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals x minus 2, x minus 4. The next one, x squared minus 3x minus 28. Two numbers whose product is minus 28 and whose sum is minus 3 are minus 7 and plus 4. Minus 7 times plus 4 is minus 28. Minus 7, so it's minus 7 times plus 4 is minus 28. And minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Hence, x squared minus 3x minus 28 is x minus 7, x plus 4. The last one's a bit tricky because there's a 2 here. However, when we look at that, the HCF of each of those terms is 2, so we can express it this way. We take 2 outside the brackets, and that's what we're left inside the brackets, and that's the trinomial we've been working on, where the coefficient of x squared is 1. So let's just look at those three terms there, leave the 2 outside. Two numbers whose product is 20 and whose sum is 9 are 5 and 4. Hence, 2 outside of x squared plus 9x plus 20 is 2 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 4. So this video has looked at a very interesting idea where we have seen how to factorise trinomials, and in this case we've only started with trinomials where this leading number here is 1, and the trick is to find two numbers whose product gives you that number and whose sum gives you that number there. And once you find those two numbers, that helps you to find the factorisation.